Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the YEMESYAS Evening Bag Woman's Flower Shaped Handmade Diamond Ringstone Clutch Bag. And it's beautiful. It shines beautiful like diamonds in the sky if you want, but at night it's just the perfect clutch. It's really soft to the touch, so I don't have to worry about my dresses getting entangled with it by. I was pleasantly surprised to find that it has two magnets that whenever I close the clutch, it's not easy to open by itself. As you can see, it's just automatically just close. It keeps everything inside. I love options, and this one gives me the option just to have the clutch by itself. It has this perfect size for the beauty essentials for the night. I also like the fact that it comes with a little bag in case you lose any of the ringstones. It has happened to me, and I have had it for a long time. And I love the size. It's just perfect. And that's our point of view.